Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the countryside, traditional Hakka families not only raise the usual livestock, but also keep dogs and cats as pets. Dogs not only guard and watch over the house, but also eat table scraps. So a place is set up for these pets in the courtyard. Cats, on the other hand, are good at ridding the residents of pests such as mice and snakes. As a result, the Hakka residence typically has a cat door, allowing these pets to enter and leave the house as they please.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. And recently, we've been talking more about the living quarters of the Hakka people. 最近我们常常都很喜欢聊这个客家人呢，他们住的这些地方、生活方式啦，还有建筑物啦，对不对？
对啊，
我觉得不错，学到很多。很想知道更多。
可是我们介绍那么多了，那我觉得今天我们来介绍一个不一样的，我们来介绍那个家畜家禽住的地方，好不好？
That's interesting. Leo wants to teach us on how to describe the living quarters of livestock, such as pigs, chickens, ducks, dogs. 这还蛮有趣的因为其实如果到乡下，到比较传统的这个房子呢，都还是会看到很多的鸡鸭啦、牛啦、猪啦，然后当然还会养狗啊，对。
鸡客家话叫给嘛，然后鸡住的地方叫给鸡，
要给鸡的地方。
对，给鸡，
给鸡 is the living area for chickens, all right? 给鸡 sounds like giving to the chicken. 这还蛮容易记的。再来，
鸭子叫阿北，鸭子住的地方叫阿寮。
Okay, abe is the duck, and where they live, it's called 阿寮。And then 还有什么牛？
牛跟猪后，他们都有住在一个固定的被围起来的地方，所以牛就叫牛栏，然后猪就叫竹栏。
Niue is the cow and Zue is the pig. And the place that they live in is called a lan. So together it's either Niu lan or Zu lan. So how about the dog? 那狗呢？狗也有狗窝嘛，对不对？
对啊。狗就是叫尾，那叫尾住的地方叫叫丢。
叫丢，不要走丢，让他们住在里面好好的玩。Not easy to say, but that's the place where dogs and puppies. So let's review these terms. 如果是鸡 chicken 住的地方叫做给鸡。
对，给
鸡，这个记得很清楚。然后如果是鸭的话是鸭寮 right? For the duck?
阿寮。
And then for the cows and the pigs?
牛栏、竹栏。
And finally for the dogs, it's a 狗窝。
叫丢。
There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
案子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.